So finally we got one in. Hello guys. Right now we are going to farm. Me and my elder father. So to reach here it might take around 30 minutes. So hope you guys will enjoy watching this. So right now we are about to reach the town. Watching town.
Vốn mấy à? Costa chừng mấy à? Ăn mấy à? Hả thế? Cái mấy người? Ô, hadan lo, makan jaga na he. Khuli থাকিব তো?
So all these areas are watching village. Since it is hilly area, so it's beautiful view to watch. And the village is at the top of the hill, so yeah, it's beautiful view. So right now we are about to reach to Wakchung Chingla. So it's a new village. Chingla, just our neighbor village. They are separated from Wakchung, since now Wakchung become a huge village. So for them it's very difficult to come to our church, to attend church. So they have like separated themselves. So yes, Wakchung Chingla. Here is my elder father driving. That's why we have reached to the turning. This turning is very scary. Very fast for you. And I'm here. So can enjoy. So we call this place as Akabukatang. It is a beautiful place.
Tepchi turning.
Tepchi turning. Tepchi turning. Apa mo lang nagsiси?
Salah kayo.
Oh,
Saya salah kayo.
So we are going to visit to two place. So our farms. So finally we have reached. Oh. I took my small dao. So we took some poster to carry fruits. I don't know what we are going to get in the field. So we have finally reached to that place. I paused for some moment because the road was not good, and I need to take care of myself. Here, see the tent. Everything is broken now. Không biết có nhiều giàu ra không vậy? It seems it's been nearly years without rich coming here. Âm đây xe. Ơi ơi. Sinyal kah? Sunnah. So we eat these vegetables and it is very tasty. So I will just keep it here and I will take off my bag. I'll keep my bag here, and this hairband is a gift from my friends. My friends, I forgot his name. Pong Pong, yeah. So so finally we got one, and we will eat this making curry. So mixed with pork or beef, it is very tasty. We are going to take more. So we finally took this tree, and now I'm going to see if naspati is here or not. Orange, and here's the tree. Oh, a lot of naspati here. So we are going to another farm to check there. Lychee, here's lychee. Yes, not yet time. Luck. So I'm done climbing and plucking from this tree. So now I have to go down. So it's done from this tree. Have to climb another tree. So right now from this tree we have collected this much. Now so yeah. So we are done. We have to carry this and go to the main road where we left our vehicle. So let's go. So we have finally reached to the main road, and I'm tired. See. So we have one more farm to visit. This is heavy. So we are going to move to another farm. Can you see me sweating? See, elderly people, they love this flower. They are used to it. So, bye. Oh, this is from Bongba, my hairband. And thank you so much, Bongba, for the gifts. I love it. The road is better now. See, the view is too good. I love this. So we have reached to another farm. We will keep our vehicle here and have to go down again. So this one will be more troublesome. Okay, finally reached Alay bay. We are finally, so here is longjak tree. See, a lot of longjaks and pineapples here. A lot of eatables. Mango. My elder father, he climbed to the tree to pluck the fruits. So we finally reached to our farm here. Oh, hi. Tired. Here is farm. So this we call this in our dialect, like if we interpret it, it will be kind of orange only, but not exactly orange. It looks like orange, but not exactly orange. And yeah, can you see this mango? See? Haha, mango. So I think not the time. So here is orange and mango, banana, and all the eatable things will be here. A lot of fruits here in this farm. So as of now we have visited 2 farms. Maybe we might visit more. See, this a different kind of kuchu. See, blue color, and this very tasty. Very tasty. And this banyan tree. So as of now it is not season yet for banyan, but yeah, some small banyan are here. And I am tired. Even go here, plum, and yeah, a lot of fruits are here. Want to pluck this mango, small, but it's yellow. And let me check whether so directly natural and pure. So wow. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. So I'm thirsty. I'm going to river to drink water. So the water is here. Okay. I am going to drink this water. See, so it's a pure and clean water. I'm coughing. I ate mango, so I think because of that I'm coughing. Pure water. Here's banana. I'm going to black one and I'm going to eat. So wow, very sweet. Mm. Mm. Oh, very big. Khát không mà? This is for curry and it's very tasty. From this field we have got enough and I think we have more this. So now we are moving to another farm. We have visited 2 farms and this will be 3. We are going, so we are going to check the jackfruits. Tipak manya. So not the time for the jackfruits. There's a river down there. Hello guys, my phone battery shut down, so I couldn't film of us returning back. So sorry, but we are enjoying. See, here, see the fruits that we bring. Koi, apni khai taka do. Koi. So yeah, so this is how we used to eat. Wow. If you enjoyed this vlog, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more. Subscribe karo koi di.
Subscribe is
Hindi se pulo.
Hindi. Dila nam tu kiya dile.
Subscribe karo.
Subscribe is Rashpati.
So yeah, thank you. They are working here.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए,
कमेंट कीजिए।
अच्छा चलो।
कौन ना कमेंट कीजिए।
कमेंट ना बेटा।
मैजिक लगाओ
I'm
मैजिक।
back at home.
मैजिक
And
लगा।
these people are staying
आप भी नागालैंड
in the
आओ,
house.
नाशपाती खाओ, एंजॉय करो।
मैजिक लगाओ।
Okay, bye. Thank you.